Samsara is for the waves. See, friends. Therefore, Sukha Dukkha Dasha Moho Manasi Eva Asti Na Atmani. This mind, this ahankar, this subtle body, whatever names you give. There are so many names given to this, but one and the same thing. So, the experiences, being Sukhi or Dukhi, Dasha means the experience. Sukha Dasha, Dukkha Dasha, the various experiences of joy and sorrows. Similarly, Moha, Manasi Eva Asti. Delusion is only in the mind, never in the Atma. You are ever the same. See, joy we eliminate, and if we stop, we will not become joyful. Miseries we eliminate. If we stop, we will not become miserable. So when we are able to experience the joy and sorrows without becoming joyful and miserable, we are Atma, we are the self. But when because of the joy we become joyful, with the miseries become miserable, then this created illusory personality is called a Jiva. Then who created Jiva? God? No. God didn't create Jiva. See, that's the illusion. Therefore, Sukha Dukkha Dasha Moho Manasi Eva Asti Natmani. And therefore, when your mana, the ahankar, the chitta, whatever name you give, when galite, when that is dissolved, the samsara disappears. Sukha Dukkha Dasha Moho Manasi Eva Nastya Atmani. Then na shastraihi guruna vapi drishyate parameshwaraha. Parameshwaraha na drishyate. Bhagwan is not seen, not known because of the Shastra, because of the scriptures, because of the Guru. See how important it is. It requires courage to make this statement. And Vasishtha ji only can make this statement. See, it is for what? Don't hang on the Guru. Don't hang on God. You have to work yourself. न शास्त्रैहि न गुरुणा वापि दृश्यते परमेश्वरः. Neither by the Shastra. I have studied so much. You know, in Yoga Vasishtha it comes, they are called as the Jnana Bandhu. It is a very rare term used in Yoga Vasishtha. Jnana Bandhu means what? All the college professors, they are Jnana Bandhu. They are using this knowledge for earning the bread and butter. They are called as Jnana Bandhu. So, for the Jnana Bandhu, they will not be able to help us. Shastraihi, by studying the scriptures, I have studied this thing, I have written these many books, now I should realize, forget about it. Then Guruna, I go to the Guru every day and trouble him. No, not by that. Then Napi kapi drishyate parameshwara. Then drishyate tu swatmana eva atmana. Atma. It is known by you, in you, as you. See? So what will be that experience? That experience where experiencer is not born is Atma. Now apply this principle everywhere. Miseries is the experience. Miserable is not born. That experience is Atma. That is realization. Joy, experience. Joyful person is not born. Then that experience of joy is realization. Ill health, experience. Ill healthy person is not born, that is realization. Can there be anything simpler than this? Think. Knowledge where knower is not born is Paramatma. See, I know, I don't know is samsara. Knowledge and ignorance is Paramatma. We have to extremely aware of this fact. Do not allow anybody to be born. Why it happens? Because we forget. And there is no cause for forgetting. Forgetfulness is the cause.